Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. National Socialist Council of Naga ban extended for 5 years due to successionist activity aligned with anti-India forces and unlawful activities. Comes under GS3 Internal Security 5 years extension on the ban. Unlawful activities aligned with ULFA, PRIPAC and PLA organization. This extension reflects the government's continued commitment to maintaining national integrity against separatist movement that pose threats to India's unity and security framework. U.S. Understanding NSCNK historical context. 1975 Shillong Accord. Naga National Council signs agreement with the Government of India creating internal divisions. 1980 National Socialist Council of Naga formation, split from NNC over Shillong Accord. 1988 faction split, NSCN IM led by Isaac Chikchiswu was and Tanglang Muyav. This faction has been more open to negotiation with the Indian government. NSCNK led by SS Kaplan, a Hemi Naga former Myanmar. This faction has maintained a more hardline stance against India. NSCNK operational profile: base of operation primarily active in Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, and Myanmar's Sagging region. Ideology: seeks an independent sovereign greater Nagalism, united all Naga inhabited areas of India and Myanmar. Methods: employs guerrilla warfare, extortion, ambushes, and coordinated attacks on security forces. Support network: historically maintained a training camp in Myanmar, utilizing cross-border sanctuaries for operations. CPCB report reveals Yamuna River stretches in Delhi remains critically polluted despite overall improvement in India's river quality. Comes under GS3 Environment Critical Pollution Status. CPCB report identifies Yamuna stretch from Palla to Asgarpur village as among India's most polluted river segments. National assessment: 296 polluted river stretches identified across India, with 37 categorized under Priority 1 based on BOD levels. Comprehensive monitoring. CPCB reviewed water quality data from 2022 to 2023, covering 32,116 locations nationwide. River pollution assessment methodology. Pollution criteria: river stretch classified as polluted when POD exceeds 3 mg or L limit in 2 or more locations continuously. Positive trend: polluted river stretches decreased from 351 in 2018 to 296 in current assessment. Delhi monitoring points: 7 key locations tracked: Palla, Wazirabad, ISBT Bridge, ITO Bridge, Nizamuddin, Okhla, and Askarpur village. But could it control pollution control Central Pollution Control Board, guardian of water quality, established 1974, created under Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, expanded powers additionally with authority under Air Act. Ministry oversight under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. New Delhi headquarters located in National Capital. Biochemical oxygen demand, key water quality indicator. Amount of dissolved oxygen required by microorganism to decompose organic matter in water under aerobic conditions. Measurement expressed in milligrams per liter. Environmental impact: high BOD indicates pollution and threatens aquatic ecosystem health. High BOD impact: high organic pollution levels, low dissolved oxygen content, harmful to aquatic life. Low BOD benefits: cleaner water quality, healthy aquatic ecosystem, sustainable marine environment. MSc ELSA 3 sinking off Kerala coast. caused hydrocarbon heavy metal pollution impacting marine life and water quality. Comes under GS3 environment. May 25 ship sinking MSC Elsa 3 Liberian flagged container vessel. FRV Sagar Sampada deployed for comprehensive investigation covering 23 sampling location between Kochi and Kanyakumari. Environmental impact assessment under Ministry of Earth Science. Pollution analysis, hydrocarbon compound, heavy metal pollution, marine life impact, wildlife distress. Marine ecosystem consequences, critical timing, expert recommendation, food chain contamination. Separatist note. Please practice this mock question. Thank you.